Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, we will see how you can see your assignments and how you can answer your assignments, how you can do your assignments on My-Mercury as a student. Now I am on the student dashboard. When you log in, you go on Learning Management System LMS, you see the options, you choose homework option, you click on homework here. Now we are on our homework dashboard. You see all the assignments assigned for you. And now we see two assignments here by two teachers. Okay, let's see this one. We have an assignment. This is due 29th of September. This is the due date and this is the time for the deadline. It is a mathematics homework. It is over 85. When you answer this assignment and when after your teacher assess your assignment, you will see your score also here. And time remaining for the deadline is 7 days, okay, and 11 hours. So this is a pending assignment and you have time to answer this assignment. But here we have an expired assignment. You can see the assignment but you cannot answer it anymore because it is overdue. This is expired anymore. You cannot answer this assignment, but if you have time, you will be able to answer the assignment. But you can see the expired assignments, but you cannot submit. You cannot submit your assignment. The system will not allow you because it is overdue. You don't have time. It's expired. But if an assignment is not expired yet, you can answer the assignment. You click on the assignment one time and the details you will see. Here the teacher, it is over 85, the time remaining, and the details, the instructions. Okay, this is the title of the assignment. You see the details and the instructions of the assignment. Sometimes you will see the questions of the assignment here, but your teacher here uploaded a worksheet for you. You can download the worksheet from here. You can download the worksheet from here, okay? And you can type your answers here. You can write anything here if your teacher asks you to do so. Or you can add files, attach files. It can be the photo of your worksheet after you answer it. It can be a presentation project. It can be a Word file, it can be a PDF file, it can be a PowerPoint presentation. Whatever your student or your teacher asks you to do, you can type your answers here, or you can add files from here. And also, you can chat with your teacher here. You can send a message. Maybe you didn't understand the point. You can, could you please clarify question number 2, like this. You can type something for your teacher, and if your teacher is online, he can immediately answer you. You can immediately see your message here. After you finish answering your questions, and after, if necessary, after you attach the file, if necessary, you can click on Submit Assignment and your assignment will be submitted and your teacher will immediately see it. And this is how a student sees the assignments, answers the assignments, and submits the assignments on My-Mercury. Thank you for watching.